Ayun guys, another successful release na naman tayo today. Model was Ford GLX Manual, 2025 year model. Zero down payment, plus may 30,000 cashback ka pa. Ano pang inaantay mo? Apply na. Contact me sa contact number ko na nakalagay sa screen. Or PM mo lang ako sa aking mga social media account. By the way guys, this is JC Yap from Mitsubishi Abad Santos under Peak Motors Philippines Incorporated. Apply na, release na natin yung unit mo. See you mga kabitsu!